Hey you guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Joji and I do makeup tutorials and makeup reviews here on my channel. So if you're interested to that, make sure that you are subscribed. And in today's video, I'm very excited to share with you a mini fall makeup tutorial. So what I did here is just apply the blush and of course this gorgeous lip combo that I just keep using every fall. I feel like I don't really buy a lot of fall makeup because it's such a short season, so I just kind of go back to what I love and my favorite one. So I'm going to show you the product today and of course how I do this gorgeous fall makeup. So I just have a few products and it's quick and easy, I promise you guys. And if you don't know what you're gonna wear for fall, if you're going somewhere, this is the tutorial that you want to see, and take a look at what you have and experiment with the product. So if you are interested to see the tutorial and of course the product that I use, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get started, and I'm very excited to share this mini tutorials with you. So I have a few products here that I'm going to use today. So first of all, we are going to apply the blush, and for the blush I'm using this one from MAC. This is the Gingerly Sheer Tone blush. I love this during the fall because it's not super dark, it's not super plum burgundy, but it's also not like peachy pink. So it's perfect for a combination of little dark lips and a little dark eyes. So first I have my brush here from NARS. This is my Yashio brush. So I'm going to grab just this one and that much on the brush. Of course, you always want to tap it. So what I do actually is I started right here on the temple of my face because I wanted to sort of bring it on the higher part of my cheekbone so that we get that lifted look. So as you see, you can just notice I'm building up the product. I'm not packing it in right away. And just so you know, I already have a bronzer as well. So take a look at that. It's starting to get this really nice blending motion. And then it gives me color just by looking at it. It makes a big difference without a blush and with a blush already. I like this kind of application a lot, especially if I want a lifted look as well. So this is really good. Alright you guys, so you have seen me apply the blush, and if you notice, I just feel like it's more over here on the focus. I mean, you can bring it a little bit in the front, but we are going to see right after I apply on the other side, and we can always adjust. I mean, it's really up to you how you like, but let's apply here quickly. I'm building it up. I'm not trying to pack my brush because you don't want that. You want to make sure that it's subtle enough, especially when you try to kind of focus at the back here. You don't want to have that super strong kind of application. So make sure that it's just really soft, especially with this kind of technique of application. So now you can see we can start applying the lip combo that I've been talking, and then we can always adjust whatever is we need to adjust later right after we do our lips. So my lips is clean. I just have a lip balm. So for the lip product, I have three items right here, or three products. So first of all is the lip liner. I feel like for fall colors, we really need to have a lip liner because we wanted to have that dimension on the lips and clean look because it is a darker lipstick. I mean, if we're talking about nude or light colors, it really doesn't matter sometimes to me. So for fall, I'm gonna use this MAC as well. This is in the shade Whirl, and of course the lipstick is in the shade Whirl as well. This is a matte finish, but this is the difference maker right here. This is from NARS, and I'm in the shade Belle de Jour. So this one is really beautiful as a topper or by itself, but I don't wear this by itself because it's very pale. You will see later what I'm talking about. So first, let's apply the lip liner. Okay, so just put it here. Alright, so there you go. After I line my lips, then of course we're going to apply the lipstick. I'm gonna give you a swatch of all of this right after we actually apply everything so you can see as well. I know you're interested in swatches, so let's apply this. Okay, so that is definitely a fall color, and whirl is something that a lot of people know, and it's a good color for fall definitely, but then I feel like this is way too matte for me. So I really like to have just a little bit of shine on top of my matte lipstick, because I just feel like a little bit of shine makes me feel comfortable. It's a little more like sophisticated, if you say. And this topper right here, again, this is the Belle du Jour. So I just love this so much, especially when I want to wear like a matte lipstick, like I'm saying. So let's apply this and you should see. So I basically just kind of applied in the middle, just to kind of like get rid of that really matte finish. And then it gives me this sort of, it's hard to explain, but it's less darker, but it's not affecting so much on the actual lipstick that you put on. So it's giving you shine, it's giving you this kind of neutralizer kind of, but then it's not taking away the color that you just applied. So it's like really perfect as a topper of any darker lipstick. If you want to add a little bit of warmth too, it's really good. But take a look at that, right? So it's just kind of brighten up a little bit, but it's not so much. So now we can take a look at the blush right here. I would definitely want to add just a little bit more to kind of enhance that color around my cheek. So what I do is I'll just dab it, and then outer dab, because right away when maybe you go out, it might come off as well for the blush. But this is such a beautiful color, you guys. Gingerly, it's so good. And then a little bit on the nose, but not so much. So that is, I think that's pretty much what I wanted. And it's super easy. It's a good product. If you already have it, try this combo. And then I'm gonna give you a swatch of the blush right here. On my swatch, it looks definitely brown peach. It's less plum, but I like it that way because I think it's balanced. And then the Belle du Jour is here. So let's see, Belle du Jour. You can see how it looks like. It's very light, and it actually looks like a lot more on the blush shade, which is perfect because it's kind of like matching a little bit more, so it's not so like far off from the lip color. And then this is the whirl. So the whirl is definitely on the dark side, and the lip liner. Yeah, so there you go. It's very simple, it's very easy. If you feel like you're having a hard time trying to get your fall makeup, like, or if you're trying to go somewhere and you wanted to have a fall makeup and you have no idea, take a look at what you have and just kind of like be creative, experiment the product, experiment the makeup, and you will see that you actually have a lot of colors that for fall. It's just that sometimes you forget, but that is the final look. As you see, it's beautiful. And yeah, that's it from me today, guys. I hope you learned so much from this mini tutorial. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoy, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.